Hi everyone, it's Genoa, and I have a really kind of impromptu inspired message to share that just came to me, and I'm like, I need to make this video now before it leaves my... You know why it's important to do things now when you feel them? Because you're in the most natural, energetic state of it. The universe is now. Energy is now. And when we get these realizations, it's so important that we just nurture them and really make them a priority to get out, to get on paper or on a video or a voice recording, however you share yourself with the world. So it's important that it's fresh, right? It's fresh. It's like food. Like, you don't want to go buy food that isn't fresh. Fresh food is amazing. It's better. Okay. So the message that I have is when we're super, super excited about something, it's like we have two spectrums, right? Super, super excitement or down in the dumps, depressed. Dumped. You're dumped. You're down in the dumps, depressed, or you're super, super excited, right? Like, those are the extremes. And, in my life, I've experienced this too, where I've been so, so, so excited about everything. And it's almost like now I'm at the point in my journey where I don't even want that, because I am so happy with this grounded feeling of joy and happiness, and so much excitement almost just like derails me and gets me off center. And I used to thrive on it when I was like going through an awakening process. Like, that was like my go-to, like, excitement. Everything was crazy exciting, highest excitement possible. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's not the full truth. The full truth is that excitement is a separation from your conditioning. That excitement was me realizing my power to create and manifest and have synchronicities in my life, in opposition to my conditioning, which said I was powerless. I had to work really, really hard to have anything good in my life. Bullshit. Right? Like that bullshit. So the excitement was it was in opposition to that. So now I am creating alignment with center. Center meaning I absolutely know 100% that I can manifest my own reality using my thoughts, using my heart and my thoughts. That's how life works. So when you know that 100%, the crazy synchronicities and the amazingness that happens in life that used to get me crazy, crazy excited, it's like, okay, yeah, of course this is happening because I asked for it and I got aligned with it, and that's it. It's done. And I worked through the unconscious and subconscious beliefs that came up throughout the process. Because, sometimes you want to make changes and you want to shift. You want to shift. You want to be a shift switcher. You want to shift into a new vibration. You want to create a new reality for yourself. So you create new affirmations and new beliefs, but they're not like going in, they're not sinking in, you're not seeing the results. And that's okay. That just means there's some things you're probably not aware of in your subconscious yet. And life is going to lead you to draw those out and get to the root of them so that your reality will shift. So sometimes we just have a little bit more unconscious belief work to do, and that's okay. And life always takes care of us. Life is always meeting our new energy and meeting our intentions. So there's nothing to worry about ever. But, okay, so about the crazy excitement and then the depression is you want to be in that balanced, centered state, knowing that you do get what you want. And when crazy synchronicities and amazing stuff happens in your life, like, that's normal. That's what you should have always gotten forever and ever, and since you were born. Like, that's your birthright, to be this infinite creator, this powerful creator that gets to create their own reality. So that's your norm. That is who you are. And when you know that that's who you are, then we don't need to be like crazy off the wall excited about it, because it's not in opposition to the opposite of that, which is we don't get to create our own reality. You know, it's like, it's not out of the norm, that things are working beautifully for us. Things should always be working beautifully for us. Isn't that amazing? It's like, I promise you, it's the truth. And if you don't believe that right now, that's okay. But your spirit knows that, and you're going to be guided and you're going to be led to figure that out for yourself. And it's going to be a beautiful journey. No doubt about it, that it's all going to unfold. You just have to keep doing the inner work. You just have to keep transcending your conditioning by changing your belief systems and being led by your intuition, by your higher self. It's always leading us. And even when things don't look like they're working out, like, it's okay. You don't have to get so stuck there, because things can shift when you're open. When you're open to it moving out of you, the negativity, when you're open to it shifting out, it can, and it can quickly. The problem is then we pile more thoughts on it, and then it stays. You know what I mean? So, okay, I just wanted to get that out. I feel like that was really, really important, because I had that within myself. You know, this is my realization that if I'm super, super crazy excited about something, that's in opposition to my old self. And I want to be a whole being now in this new self, which I know 100% that things are always working out, that I always get what I want, and that I can always align with what I want. As long as I do the belief work, as long as I do the energy work, it's done. Like, it's just the law. It is law. Okay? Yeah, so, this is what I want to say. So the excitement, when I get super excited about something, then I always felt a crash coming. I could feel like, something bad's gonna happen. And that's, if you listen to Abraham Hicks talks about this. She says, if you're driving down a road going 100 miles an hour and you run into a huge tree, then that's going to be really bad and dangerous. But if you're driving and you're going 5 miles an hour, it's going to be okay. You're not going to get hurt. It's not going to be painful. So it's the same thing with our energy. If we're super crazy excited, if we get stuck in a negative belief pattern at that speed, it can take over us, and then we crash. And then it's like, if we're really, really depressed, and we get one positive thought, then it's like, no, it doesn't even exist, right? It's like the two extremes. Yeah. So, yeah, it's like, I don't have to be scared if I do get into that super, super excitement about life is so amazing, because that's my tendency, because I love life. And I can get overexcited and go there. And it's important to remember that, like, so then I would have the fear something bad's happening, right? So this is so key, to be in this middle ground, this balanced state of knowing that you always get what you want and that life is always working out for you and that you can always create a new reality, and it can be easy, simple. If you just know that you can always make a new thought, you can always create a new feeling. Know your power. So if you want to know your power more deeply, you know where to find me, you know how to reach out to me. If you want to work on that together with a guide, then you know that's what I love to do. So I wish you all a beautiful rest of your day, wherever you are at in the world, whatever you are doing. And just remember to know that you are a creator and you're always creating your life through your thoughts. And that's how life was meant to be always. So it's normal for you that you create what you want and you get what you want. And you're an infinite creator. Pure consciousness in human form. Pure infinite potential in human form. Okay, my friends. Goodbye.